Welcome to Illuminous. We'll show you in this video how to wire our 12-watt LED drivers. First, remove the cover. Now wire 120 volts AC to the input. Note we do not need an earth as 12-watt is a class 2 driver, double isolated. Please check the datasheet for supported dimmers. Also check the dimmer manufacturer's installation instructions as each are different. Our driver is wired, ready to test. The output will flash strobe if the load is greater than 12 watts. With modern digital dimmers like Insteon 2477D, the minimum dim level and speed is set by the dimmer switch. Note, we do need greater than 50% load for good dimming on these 12-watt drivers. Thank you for watching.